nhớ cho nó cũng là qua khó video house tour nữa rồi khỏi tiền mua cho chúng tụ fan này cũng nó nông cũng là qua khó house tour cho cũng lúc trẻ cũng nhiều phải rồi này rồi thì chỉ có cả tháng này có sao show đó chỉ vì tiền cho fan cho chúng tụ này rồi cũng cho fan này nhiều cũng này sao bao cũng lúc trẻ trong đi chơi sao bao cứ chị trong đi chơi thì cũng thấy là có video nó nữa ok chị cũng mua cho chỗ tụi này cũng nó khó xem question này thì how much my house in Australia po kỳ đi tới chấm cả thiên này ở chị lúc nó chị cost 2 million Australia dollar nữa chị họ ai 5 acre thì mi cả có how they call HA how many 2 HA nữa nè ok chị cho đến một chỗ lúc chị một chỗ outside họ property ta nè chị mà đi một inside họ lúc chị nữa chị right now Australia is winter that's why I always wear jumper and I say cold all the time vì nó là tôi nói chị nói vậy có một bề hạ snow đó chủ yếu là chỉ lo snow nữa chị cũng nào lúc snow jacket nó let's go see outside around property nữa go ta-da my garden I'm gonna grow vegetable here I already grow my chicken hedgehog eye and lemongrass Baby and mommy eat grass. Wait, mommy close the gate. Hi, you're cute. Look like you wear a hat. He's going back to you. Look at you. You're gonna look at me. Look at you. Look at me. Look at you. Can I touch you? No? Let's go this way and go around the property and then we come there and then let's go on the Chinese garden and then we go inside the house. Let's go! Let's go! Oh. I have to bring the knife to cut. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, Mima. Come. Haha, this is our jungle. Ta-da! So many free wood. You see, dry wood. You can cut here and burn free. To make a big fire. Oh, I think we cannot cook here. Good. Need to make a bridge here. Of course. It's workshop for you. Oh, fine. Just you. Yay! See? Easy for mommy. Mommy little. Mommy can go everywhere. Ta-da! We here. Show them the alpaca. So they know where we are now. You see that mountain over there? That reminds me about qhov. Exactly look like qhov. Remind me of my hometown. Go, daddy. Eating all the time. Monkey. Go. Come here. Just want to show them what inside look like the show. Have a little kitchen. Have toilet too. Actually, you can stay in here too. Incredible. Wow, evening! Set up that. Don't want to take you off. Last time when I come live in here, it's too dark. Turn the light on. Oh, the light is just outside. Me more. Not much bright, not much big. So yeah, have a little fire. This carpet, I think it's concrete cement, but it's covered. And yeah, upstairs have a little room on the second floor, and then here. So over there you can set up like a little couch. And here is little kitchen. Last time I cannot make hot water here.
Why?
I don't know how to turn this on. It's not like the one at home. Maybe you have to set up something.
Maybe it's unplugged.
Yeah, unplugged, so I don't know how to use. So have a little kitchen here too. And then have a toilet here. Oh, your power bank, everything's still here. Have a little shower, toilet here. Can go upstairs, make the bed, and this can be the living room for the shelf. Oh, yeah. Ta-da! Baby, enjoy your car every day. You see all day from here? Oh yeah. He follow you. Ta-da! Baby, mommy gonna set up this shelf for you. Come here. Come here now. Let's go. You wanna see too? You wanna see everything? Ta-da! Oh, you're too short. Mommy can see you. Ta-da! Come, let's go to the Chinese garden before raining. Let's go. Let's go eat chocolate. Chocolate. You want to eat chocolate? Chocolate. Come this way, this way. I don't want you to shoot dirty and I carry you. Come here. Come here. Come here. We go Chinese garden, then we go eat chocolate. Only chocolate can call him. Go. Let's go. Okay. Show everyone outside first and inside later. Before raining. Yeah. This swimming pool and one room in there. I want to set up like live room or counter bar for make drink. 93. Oh. Tired, carry you, make me hot now. Take on my chest. What I carry. Need a lot of energy. The wood take the water and then stop. Whoa, let me see your hand. I'm gonna take off my shoes. You like to bounce in here and make noise. I'm gonna set up counter bar here. And then I want to make one table outside to make like kitchen outdoor too. So can do like a kitchen outdoor, a little party. I want to buy the chair here. Sit here lying down, wear bikini, sharing, drinking my coffee, and then I get tan. I want to make this corner like a little table and then kitchen outdoor here. So sometimes I can cook like fried rice or whatever Thai food, chilling outdoor here. Salad papaya on this table. I'm gonna fix here. Kitchen outdoor table, use little gas. Okay, let's go to the Chinese garden. Close this door first in case raining.
Go high five mum. Give mum high five.
High five. Come. Come. High five. 1, 2, 3.
Go Max.
Go. Okay. Later, come here. High five. Yay. Yay. Let's go. Chinese garden. Go, go. Go, go. Before raining. Look like it's raining. Go. Chinese garden. Good. Oh, I just cut that green and red one. Oh, still messy. Dada. Table put like this, that side, this side, and can sit here and drink tea, coffee. Table for drink tea, coffee here, huh? Well, you wanna pray here? Pray to the rock. Go. Okay, tour around here. Whew. Have to fix the rock before trip over. How to come clean here? I need to buy the one like for we brush, for we clean the leaf to burn. I just cut here to not messy that much, but still have to come clean here on this side and here. Maybe I can grow something here too. I think to grow the peach tree here, so they're pretty. And over there is the passion fruit. Passion fruit. I wanna plant the peach tree here, so pretty. When you look from the inside, you see peach tree flower when they have flower. And grow something pretty, flower more. Oh, we forget to show them the other side. Let's walk this side to the other side. This side is bamboo. You follow us? How to grow more flower here? Mommy like more flower. Ta-da! A little Chinese town here. I wanna move the Chinese town somewhere. Ta-da! Ta-da! And then da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. You wanna play? Play every baby cow. You make fire here today? Haha! What you see? Yesterday you just wanna go them trampoline over there. Go? You just wanna go your car. Let's go, daddy car. You wanna shopping? Huh? Okay, chị how to outside ta li no yo, chị chùa hậu chế啦, chị yo thì mua hậu chế, khẩu là chỉ trong đó họ thì chỉ trong đó nó chẳng đủ chỉ cũ na, thế cho tính khẩu là lại chỉ trong nó chị ta kiểu mà thay, họ yo thì rong nó chị mà thay nó thế nó chị đi cha nó chị rau rong tay nó chị mua cho họ pha hậu chế na, ok, hậu chế nó chị ở trên chỉ tao set up ra chỉ đó họ thì ở nhiều họ lo xong này chị trên chỉ tao thì tao cho furniture match lúa house thì ở trên chỉ tao có空啦，chỉ cho là A chị is just empty house, but we'll show you. Okay, see you later in the house. Okay, so now gonna be inside. Huh? Oh, that hurt.
Why is it closed different?
Oh, because yesterday we do outdoor and today we gonna do inside because yesterday was we walk around the property and then get dark and then inside cannot see very good when dark. So today still have a little bit sunlight and then we gonna go do the inside house to show everyone that they want to see the inside house. Baby, you make mommy keep looking at you. Oh my God. Let's go inside, baby. Let's go to the bed. Yaki, put there. We wash first. Okay, let's go. Yaki, put inside here. Let's go inside. Put here. Go. So windy. You close your door. Okay, I close the door and we go inside. Too loud. Sorry, everything's still messy because we just moved in and still slowly set up because have to look after this little one and then cannot do much thing per day. Let's go. I think I'm gonna set up that for be my gym. Yeah, little gym for me. But actually I like to exercise outside more. Okay, open the door. Everything's still messy, not set up properly, but gonna start from this living room. They call living room. or it can be a guest room and put a long table here. And yeah, so when you do party or you have guests, you're gonna use TV. So when have guests coming, we can eat here. And also this door can open, go outside too. And have a big window. That's why I plan to grow the peach tree outside. So when you open the door and when the peach tree have flower, we'll have beautiful views outside from this room. And then yeah, have a TV here. Still think to put somewhere, but my son, he's so naughty. Wally, he gonna break again because he break many TV already. Okay, let's go. Let's go this way, baby. Come here. Come here. And then come here. Oh no! Still need to buy more chair. This we bring from the old house that was we renting. And this is the kitchen. And then room inside here for put all your stuff, your food. How you call? Pantry. Yeah, it's still messy, not set up everything nice yet. And this is my baby living room. Put his TV or his toy here. Every day he makes it messy. Here we got a fire. We buy a wood to burn to make the house warm. And then this door open to outside, the friend's door, and then come here. Over there will be the rose. You can see the rose. My husband just put his Starlink here, so we're gonna put on the roof, and then yeah, so we can open this door more. Sorry, I speak more English because when we do content, I just speak Hmong, and like I say, YouTube doesn't know where to put the commercial, or even when I go live, I try to speak English and Hmong and Thai mix because I have many fans from US, Thai, Laos. I understand that some people doesn't understand English, but I have no choice. I have to speak mix. So okay, now I'm gonna speak Hmong. Thôi chỉ nói đâu thế ở đó khỏi tiệt cũ chủ đâu hay mình chỉ lu mi cà thế nào đó khỏi tiệt. Giờ có hay lu Hmong ông câu xứ nó chỉ xử lý hậu YouTube và Facebook là chỉ bảo rồi cho cuộc sống nào trong đầu tư rồi giờ cho cuộc sống nào đi chả thế hậu yêu cho like rồi giờ yêu cho video nó giờ chị cũng phải làm hay luôn cả thì lu Hmong sĩ hiệu nó giờ chị chỉ tao mua sắp thái đồ nó nên số xả đi chả nó ok chị nên cái xe lo tư là giờ lên đầu xứ rồi có thể có video nó chỉ là của lo show ưu chế xứ chỉ là thì cả tháng lo giờ xả show up là giờ thì xả khá nó này ở đó chỉ vì mua cho vì giàu đi cho fan của cho follow là chào của là cũng xả báo cho của lifestyle thế rồi chị ưu theo là thay khỏi video nó nè cái là thay khỏi video nó mà ít chỉ dùng gì kia liệu mua nên mình nhỏ nó cái đứa thế mà giờ chúng ba sẽ hở thế giờ chủ sẽ ra thế sẽ dùng mà đi lò thế lò tao nó ok chị thấy nó có trong nó chị lò trong đó nó ok chị thấy có trong nó chị lò trong là nó này chị yeah chị lo cho sáu tàu nó chỉ là lúa không số khán giả này ạ how you call this room laundry room thì này ạ lúa không số khán giả nhớ hậu nó cơ mua thì là không xử lý không tu chế thì là một bỏ không nó tàu này ạ chỉ lúc họ trong được có khí tàu nó rộng thế yeah so laundry room is still messy many clothes have to wash and I'm busy yeah. Okay, we don't go outside. Let's go bedroom. Let's go. Oh, come here, Mimo. Careful the cable, okay? Okay. Ow. You hit mommy. And then this daddy room, working room, study room. But it's still messy. Box everywhere, still not set up nice. That's my husband's problem. He's gonna set up himself. And then this side, one bedroom. It's nothing here because nobody sleeps here. Maybe we're gonna set up for guest room. Okay, and then another. Okay, this is gonna be how you call bathroom, shower room here, and this sink, and then there's a toilet here. Okay, we're gonna do very quick. Okay. Come here, Mimo. Go. Okay. And how you call this? This where you put your towel and blanket?
Linen.
Huh?
Linen closet.
What?
Linen.
Linen?
Linen.
I don't know. Whatever. And then this room. Oh my goodness, baby, stop here, daddy. This room is my mother-in-law room. Nhà po hong ya. Nhà po tôi đâu nhớ chị nhà po hong no. And then, oh my goodness, he hit the house. And then another bedroom here. I think I'm gonna turn this room to be my dress-up room too because I already put many clothes here. And maybe it will be the live room when raining day or very windy. I cannot live outside. Yeah. So this gonna be, maybe I set up to be live room and dress-up room. Already put my clothes in here many. And can put a bed. If you have guests come, can sleep here too. Okay, let's go, baby. Okay, and then this can be the living room. Small living room, second living room, yeah. And then go to the master room. This is our bedroom. Actually, the door you can close and open. Close, open too heavy. Okay, like this. And then bedroom. And you have a nice view. See outdoor. Ta-da! Ta-da! Outside. Yep. And then still not set up everything yet. Had to buy a chair for me. My table makeup. My son's so naughty. And then I don't put anything yet. They're moving and the light is broken. Have to fix everything. And then this master room, you can walk to this side too. Oops, sorry. Have a little mirror here. And then this side can be my clothes. This side my husband's clothes. Still not set up very nice, just something. And then this is gonna be Mimo. And this is the toilet and the bathroom for the master room and have a sink here. Okay, not go shopping yet. Still need to buy more. The towel to matching. Let's go, Mimo. Finish the video? Okay, so, okay, finished. That's it, our house. And yeah, sorry, I speak more English because my husband the one edit. So he understand what I talk and can be easy for him to edit. Thôi gì nữa, của hai mươi can đâu rồi là vì tia của tôi xí nữa chỉ bảo xí này giờ giờ của hai món lá, chị của hai mươi can đâu rồi anh thì đi bảo xí ở khó video dùng gì này giờ, chị chủ yếu số này thì họ lúc trẻ nó rong đi chả thì lúc trẻ nhiều hồi nó rong đi chả sữa, giờ thì của hai mươi can đâu rồi là này số xả đi chả đó, này sẽ ra lúc gì bữa đó của thế, ở cho đó số tuổi này subscriber là giờ thì này bắt sang cái của ít chữ follow của là giờ chào của nó, một sao thầu khử non chờ họ nát đi cho nụ này chỉ cho nó. Thank you very much. Ôi cho nên tao mà linh trí nữa lử rau lử khó video nữa. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Mimo. Say bye bye. Daddy cannot say bye because Daddy the one hold the camera. This guy never say bye bye. Oh my God! Always hit the door.